Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling low heart rate notifications on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, your watch will notify you when it detects a heart rate that falls below a given threshold for 10 minutes. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Heart. Then scroll down and tap Low Heart Rate Notifications. Here you can choose Off to disable low heart rate notifications. You can choose a heart rate threshold. Note that if you choose 50 BPM, you may get a low heart rate notification while sleeping. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.